Today, we want to bring you a brilliant example of how technological innovation can meet education, bringing significant benefits in terms of both learning and economic management. We're talking about the Santa Maria degli Angeli Institute in Brescia, the oldest school in the city, which has embarked on a truly interesting optimization journey. The Institute chose to equip its 21 computer workstations with MODICIA O.S, a Linux distribution. All of this was produced by MODICIA Company, led by Marco M. Mariani, based in Monza. This is no small detail. It means that, for the first time in its history, students from primary school upwards are interacting with and learning about an open-source operating system and free software. And here's the crucial point. The adoption of MODICIA O.S isn't just a benefit for the single school. It's a tangible and highly important result for the spread and use of Linux in Italy. You see, unlike many other projects that unfortunately remain on paper or aren't truly adopted, MODICIA O.S has succeeded where many others fail, demonstrating the real-world applicability and concrete benefits of open source in the field. This project proves that the implementation of open source solutions is real, effective, and leads to measurable benefits. It has allowed the Institute to achieve significant cost savings and a modernization of the entire IT infrastructure, aligning it with the new directives from the Ministry of Education. This project at the Santa Maria degli Angeli Institute, made possible thanks to MODICIA O.S and the work of MODICIA Company, is a prime example of how openness to alternative and innovative solutions can translate into efficiency and value. It's a true model to be replicated in other Italian educational institutions, showing us how Linux is truly gaining ground. A round of applause for this initiative.